On our Bronson Health Chat this morning, getting sick is certainly inconvenient. Getting care shouldn't be. Bronson has launched a new BronsonConnect video visit service. So now, when your doctor isn't available, you can see a provider online 24/7 on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. And Tristan Stempian is with us from Bronson Medical Group on WKZO to tell us more this morning. Tristan, good morning.
Good morning, Ken. How are you today?
Doing fine. Thank you so much for joining us. And before we get into the video visit and how to do it and what it all means, I don't think there's anything that says more about advancements in the healthcare industry these days than your title with Bronson Medical Group. Tristan is the Telehealth Program Manager in the Virtual Care Department. And I would be safe to say, I'm sure, that that position didn't exist a number of years ago, right?
That is correct. It was created last year, so I've been in this role for going on about 8-10 months now, so it is definitely new.
All right, great. Well, thanks for joining us, and tell us, what is a video visit?
So a video visit is being able to meet with your physician or a advanced care provider online 24/7, 365, using your smartphone, tablet, or computer for those conditions that you had mentioned, like cold symptoms, eye irritations, flu symptoms, minor burns, sinus infections, sore throat, and upper respiratory infections.
So these are the conditions that can be treated with a video visit. Anything more serious that you can talk about with your doctor?
Nope, these are the basic ones that can be treated via video visit, and if a patient gets on with their provider and they are unable to treat them through a video visit, then the provider is able to recommend them or refer them to the appropriate facility for any follow-up or additional treatment.
Now, when you go on a video visit, are you actually seeing Bronson doctors? I mean, can I see my Bronson doctor online?
So we do have Bronson providers that are seeing patients throughout the day, and we also have Bronson approved providers that are helping out as well, just to make sure that we have providers available throughout the day so that the wait times are very minimal. So these are specific to the virtual care right now. We are looking to advance and promote this program into more scheduled visits in the future, where you will be able to see your own primary care physician, but that's something we're working on right now.
What is the cost of one of these video visits? Is it covered by insurance?
So the retail price is $59. We have the Bronson employees for our health plan is integrated within our system, so that our employees and their dependents, if they have a PPO plan, would pay a $10 copay. If they have a high deductible plan, they would pay the $59 retail. We are currently in conversations with a few other payers here locally in Michigan, and we would like to integrate them here in the coming months. So keep an eye on that for when you use the platform to be able to see these additional payers and have those costs covered.
Tristan Stempian is with us from Bronson Medical Group talking about the BronsonConnect video visit service. So you sit down for a video visit, and in your conversation with the doctor, you find out that you really need to be seen in person. What happens at that point?
So the provider would then, depending on what the recommendation is or what the symptoms are, they would refer them either to a fast care or the ED if necessary, or if they need to follow up with their primary care.
So what kind of equipment does one need to do a video visit?
All you need is a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer with a camera on it and a connection to the internet.
All right, simple as that. So where do you go to get started?
So you can visit bronsonhealth.com/video visit, which will provide you a link for enrollment, or you can download our app. We have an iOS and the Android version, so you can go to the Apple App Store or Google Play, download the apps, enroll, and be ready for if you get ill.
It's the new BronsonConnect video visit service, the subject of our Bronson Health Chat this morning on WKZO. Available 24/7, 365 on your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Tristan Stempian, telehealth program manager in the virtual care department at Bronson Medical Group, has been with us. And thank you for shedding some light on this new service. It's certainly an advancement in healthcare that's very interesting and should be very valuable for many.
Thanks, Ken. Appreciate your time.
All right, on News Radio 590 and 106.9 FM, WKZO.